Hi guys, welcome to the Cyberwaves TV, the channel that brings you motivational insights for your personal and career development and also offers you the opportunity to debate and talk about global topics trending around the world. Please, if today is your first time here, we urge you to subscribe to our channel and invite your family and friends to join our vibrant YouTube community because we have more goodies for you. Another Wednesday is here and once again we are bringing you our weekly weight loss tips video. Today, the topic we are going to talk about is how to lose weight fast naturally. Please pick your notepad and let's get started. How to lose weight fast naturally. Introduction. Losing weight can sometimes seem daunting because of all of the different diet information that exists around us today. However, we believe there are some easy things you can do to lose weight faster. By making some small changes to your environment, eating habits and lifestyle, you can start losing weight with less effort than you might expect. You will still have to do some things like cutting calories and exercising. But you can do all these in simple ways. Try making some few small changes to start losing weight easily. Here are 20 tips we believe can help you lose weight with less effort. Tip number 1. Start with some realistic goals. Setting big and unrealistic goals for yourself at the beginning of your weight loss journey can be a recipe for disaster. If your goals are not realistic, then you may struggle to accomplish them and eventually give up. Instead, try setting small, realistic goals that you are confident you can accomplish and then break your goal into even smaller objectives that you can work on. For example, instead of setting a goal to lose 50 kilos a month, set a goal to lose 2 kilos in a week. Then, define what you will need to do to lose those 2 kilos in a week, such as getting 30 minutes of exercise 5 days per week and reducing your caloric intake by 500 calories per day. Use these objectives to help you work towards your goals. Be sure to celebrate when you accomplish a goal, no matter how small it might seem. Acknowledge your success and reward yourself, such as buying a small gift for yourself or going for a pedicure or body massage. Tip number 2. Stock your kitchen with healthy foods. It is hard to lose weight if you are surrounded by unhealthy foods. To set yourself up for success and make losing weight as easy as possible, buy lots of healthy foods to stock up your kitchen. Some good items to stock your cupboard must include fresh, frozen, or canned fruits and vegetables. Lean proteins like skinless chicken breast, ground turkey, lean cuts of beef, and tuna packed in water. Whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and whole wheat bread. Low-calorie condiments such as mustard, sugar-free jam, and dill relish. Low or no-calorie beverages, such as sparkling water, herbal teas and coffee. Consider feasting on these kinds of foods if you're really serious about losing weight. Number 3. Eat from small plates and bowls. Eating from a small plate or bowl can help to reduce your overall caloric intake. If your cupboard is filled with large plates and bowls, then replace them with some smaller plates and bowls. By using a smaller plate or bowl, you will be less likely to take more food that you should eat. Number 4. Organize your kitchen. A cluttered kitchen has been found to be connected with being overweight. Take some time to organize your kitchen, and you may be inspired to lose some weight in the process. Always keep the counters clear so that you will always have room to prepare your healthy meals. For example, make sure that all of your food is hidden away in a cupboard and not sitting on the counters. Find a place for your kitchen tools so you will always know where to find them. For example, you could keep your spatulas, ladles, and other cooking tools in a specific drawer or in a tool holder. Number 5. Plan your meals in advance. Making a daily or even a weekly meal plan is a great way to simplify weight loss. It will eliminate the chance that you will make an impulse decision about a meal or snack, and it will also make choosing what to eat much less stressful. Try sitting down and writing out all of your meals for the following day so you will have a game plan. Then, you can simply follow this menu to take the guesswork out of eating healthy. You can also make a list of all of the healthy meals that you have ingredients to prepare for the week. Then, choose items off this list as you go through the week to ensure that you are eating healthy. Number 6. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with you can help to keep you motivated, and it can also help to make exercising more fun. Ask a friend, a neighbor, a course mate or a coworker to be your walking buddy or join a gym with your significant other and go on gym dates. Try to keep a regular schedule with your workout buddy and encourage each other. You can share your weight loss goals with your gym buddy and ask them to help keep you accountable, such as by texting you if they have not seen you at the gym in a few days. Make sure to return the favor as well. Number 7. Choose exercise routines that you enjoy. Exercise is a lot more fun if you like the activity. Therefore, it is very important to choose a form of exercise that you will enjoy. Try out some different things until you find what suits your personality. For example, you might enjoy taking a dance class, swimming, cycling, playing a team sport or running. Try out lots of different options to find what appeals to you. Keep in mind that you don't have to choose just one activity. You can include a variety of different types of exercises in your routine to keep things interesting. For more information about how to exercise to lose weight, check the description box below. We have a full video on that topic. Number 8. Eat smaller portions of food. Eating less is the key to weight loss, so make sure that your portions are properly sized. Fill your small plate with half vegetables, a quarter lean protein, and no more than a quarter carbohydrates if you choose to eat them. Try eating off of a smaller plate to make yourself feel like you're eating more food. Minimize distractions so that you can chew your food. Slow down your meals so that it takes you longer to eat the smaller portions. Number 9. Include more vegetables in your meals. Vegetables add fiber, nutrients, and flavor without all the fat and calories. Including more vegetables in your meals, you will feel fuller. If the vegetables are replacing higher calorie options like bread, pasta, and rice, then you will be cutting calories as well. Make sure to include at least 2 servings of non-starchy vegetables with every meal. In fact, half your plate should be made up of vegetables. You can also try replacing certain foods in a recipe with vegetables. For example, to cut calories at dinner, you could use zucchini noodles in place of spaghetti, or you could use cauliflower rice instead of white rice in a stir-fry. Number 10. Add fruit for sweetness. If you are looking to sweeten up your cereal, yogurt, or pancakes, then adding fruit is a great way to go. Your meal will have fewer calories as well as some added fiber and nutrients. Try topping your pancakes with fresh berries, slice a banana onto your cereal, or dice up an apple and stir it into your yogurt. If you are craving something sweet, then reach for a piece of fruit first and see if it conquers your craving. For example, instead of having a candy bar, have an apple or a couple of tangerines. Number 11. Cut back on the fat in baked goods. Just because you are trying to lose weight doesn't mean you have to cut out all the treats in your diet. You can lighten up recipes for muffins, cookies, and cakes by swapping the butter or oil for a lower fat and lower calorie option. For example, you can replace butter or oil in recipes with apple sauce or Greek yogurt in baked goods. Use the same amount that the recipe calls for, such as half cup of apple sauce if the recipe calls for half cup of oil. Number 12. Go for lower calorie versions of your favorite foods. There is so much variety in the products available in supermarkets that you can probably find lower calorie versions of many of the foods you enjoy. For example, you can find diet sodas, baked potato chips, reduced fat cookies, and low-fat cheeses. Go for the lower calorie options of your favorite foods for an easy way to cut calories and lose weight faster. Number 13. Choose whole grain food options to get more fiber. Fiber helps you to feel full for longer, so it's important to include more fiber in your diet if you are trying to lose weight. One easy way to get more fiber into your diet is to choose whole grain options of the foods you normally eat. For example, instead of a serving of white rice, have a serving of brown rice. Instead of making a sandwich with white bread, choose whole wheat bread. Instead of eating a bowl of sugary cereal, go for a bowl of whole grain cereal or oatmeal. Number 14. Drink more water. Drinking water throughout the day can help you to feel fuller, and it can also stimulate your metabolism. Try to remember to drink at least 1 glass of water before every meal. Make it a daily habit to sip on a water bottle throughout the day to ensure that you are getting enough water. This will help to reduce the chances that you will overeat and provide an easy way to boost your weight loss aspirations. Nutritionists and dietitians do agree that drinking 8 liters of water a day stimulates our metabolism and helps us to stay hydrated and healthy. Number 15. Have more sleep. Not getting enough sleep may affect your body's metabolism and impair your body's response to insulin, which may lead to obesity and diabetes. Make sleep a priority and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Make your bedroom a relaxing place to help improve your sleep. Shut off electronic devices at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Don't drink caffeinated beverages within a few hours of bedtime. Tip number 16. Sit down for meals and eliminate distractions. Eating in front of the television is a common practice for many people, but it is a good way to end up eating more than you'd planned. Being mindful of what you eat can help you to eat less, so you might want to get into the habit of eating at a table. Try sitting down for each of your meals without anything in front of you to distract you from what you are eating. Turn off the TV, power down your laptop, and put away your phone. Just focus on the look, the taste, and aroma of your food. Number 17. Have a square of dark chocolate for a treat. Snacking on dark chocolate has been shown to limit unnecessary food cravings, so you may be less inclined to overeat. Try snacking on a small piece of dark chocolate that is about the size of a quarter once per day to help yourself feel more satisfied. For example, you could have a square of dark chocolate as an afternoon snack or as your dessert for the day. Your piece should be about the size of a Dove chocolate. Number 18. Break your exercise into small chunks throughout the day. You don't need to get in one long workout per day to reap the benefits of exercise. You can get a few smaller workouts throughout the day, such as 3 10-minute walks or 3 10-minute dance sessions. Breaking your exercise into a few 10-minute sessions provide greater benefits to you than working out for an hour straight. Aim for a total of 30 minutes of exercise daily. For example, you could take a 10-minute brisk walk before breakfast, on your lunch break, and after dinner to get your 30 minutes of cardiovascular activity for the day. We have a full video on how to exercise to lose weight. Please, we encourage you to watch that video after this one. You can check the link in the description box below this video. Number 19. Look for little ways to get more activity into your days. Little things like parking further away from the entrance at your workplace, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or using your bike instead of your car to run an errand can help you to increase the number of calories you burn in a day. As you go through your day, be on the lookout for little ways that you can move a little more. This will help you to meet your daily activity requirement without any fuss. Finally, number 20. Stand up on your feet as much as you can. Standing up burns more calories than sitting down, so simply standing up can make a difference in your weight. Avoid activities that require you to sit down for more than 1 hour, such as watching TV and playing video games. Alternatively, try standing while you play video games or watch TV for a brief period. Please, if you enjoyed the tips we shared with you in this video, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and share it with your family and friends on other social media platforms who may find this video very useful. To get more information about this topic, we urge you to watch other videos on this channel. You can also check the description box for more videos that are related to this topic. We wish you good luck in your weight loss journey. As we end this video, we would like to remind you of our 3-step S policy in this Cyber Waves community. Number 1. Share your views about this video in the comment box below. Number 2. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already. And number 3 is, share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for liking the video. Thanks for commenting. And thanks for sharing. Have a great Cyber Waves day.